Today I'm going to show you all how to make a bee hotel. Unlike the European honeybee, which live in hives, so a colony, Australian native bees, they like to live by themselves, and these are known as solitary bees. Bee hotels are a great way to create a new home for our native bees. To fill your bee hotel, you can use a range of different materials. I went searching my backyard for some suitable items. Here I've got some grapevine. This is a great material to use because it's got a pithy stem, which some bees really like. I've also got some thick stems from a tree. I can't remember which tree I cut down. Then you can get a power drill and just drill some holes in there. And other species of native bees really like to live in those holes. Another item I have here is a brick with some holes. What I'm going to do with this one is fill it with clay. Some species of native bee really like to live in clay.